It's broken.
Hello. Oh, it smells delicious. Let's give it a try. I'll be a minute. I have to eat it later. Wait for me, I'm coming. I'm coming. Hello, crane truck. How are you?
It smells so good.
No, gas pump. This is my pizza. I'll eat it later.
It all started when I went to the port.
Oh, I see what happened. Let's check your cage. It's strange. It seems all right. Nothing is broken.
Oh, Chris, you should check his crane.
Good idea. I can hear some creaking noises. I think we have to repair the crane. I'll use the wrench. Hold on, this won't take long. And now let's try to fix the spot. Let's check your crane once again. It sounds a bit better. I need some oil. Let's add a bit of oil here and here. Let's check your crane again. What's wrong? Did you hear that? It's a lion! I need to lure the lion to the cage.
Chris, you can use the salami from your pizza.
Oh, you're right, gas pump. Lion, I've got something for you. Mr. Lion, look what I've got for you. Ha! I've got you, Lion.
Thank you, Chris. Please put it down here. Don't forget to fill up your tank with gas. Oh, that's so kind of you. Thank you, Miss Gas Pump. Bye-bye, Mr. Green Truck. Take care.
And how do you feel now?
I feel great. Thanks to you. I gotta go now. Bye.
Cheers, Mr. Crane Truck. Finally I can eat my pizza. It's a little bit cold now, but still delicious. Bye bye, everyone.